Hello all, welcome back for another video of Surface Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil indicator of a Volkswagen Beetle 2013 model when you turn the ignition on. As you can see, it says oil change in 1 day. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that indicator. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. If we check the menu by the right menu button over here, go to Surface, Info, and there it is. The oil change is due to 1 day or 13,000 kilometers. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. First of all, turn the ignition off. Then there are two buttons over here, this button and that button. We're going to use this button. Press the set button, keep it pressed, turn the ignition back on, and as you can see, you'll get a question mark. We really want to reset oil surface. Then use this OK button over here, and once you have done that, the indicator for the oil change due to 1 day must have been disappeared. As you can see, it doesn't show up anymore. So once again, ignition off, press this, wait for it, press the OK button on the right side. Yes, and let's do the check. The surface, info, and as you can see, after a few minutes, new indicators for kilometers and days will appear on this menu. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time watching our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.